Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can delete unwanted slide in Canva presentation. So let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. I'm in Canva app. So let me take one presentations canvas. Okay, so here I just insert one presentations like this. So we have 13 page. Okay, so maybe your presentation look like this. Okay, so what you need to do, just click on these pages, then the all pages will be uh, visible to your bottom. Okay, so here you can see the page number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have 13 page. So select that which you want to delete and just hit the delete button on your keyboard, or you can simply click on this three dot option and just click on delete page, then page will be deleted. Okay, so just undo it. Okay, and if you want to delete multiple page, then you need to hit the control key of your keyboard and hold it, select that page, multiple random page. Okay, and just then just click on the three dot option and you can delete that total 3 page. You can see the numbers of page you have selected, and just they saying that delete the 3 page, then you can delete it. Okay, or there is another way. If you want to make it proper or more visible, go to this option, grid view, and here you can see your all pages. Same, you need to delete from here. If you want to select multiple page, hit the control key on your keyboard, hold it, select that pages, you can delete the 4 pages. Okay, we have selected 4. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.